Hello, this short video will help you assemble your new iRest A188 chair. First, we will assemble the chair back to the base. Install the black bushing shoulder side in as shown, then lay the back over the base. Next, insert the hex bolts on each side as shown and tighten. The back should now hinge smoothly. Now, set the chair on its side. First, install the wheel into the slot and attach with the small screw. Next, take the foot, position it underneath with the large screw in the back. Using the small screw, attach that in the front part of the foot. The other wheel installs in the same manner. There are two attachment points for the actuator and the control rod. They are connected by two large silver pins. Also, note the three electrical connections. Fit the white bushings into the control rod and the actuator and position them in the brackets on the bare back of the chair. Push the pins in place and secure them with the silver retaining clips on both parts. Using a Phillips screwdriver, attach the green ground wire to the base. Next, connect the plug-ins as shown. White to white, black to black 4-wire, and black to black 6-wire. The A188 needs to have this bolt mount installed in the upper back. The bolt threads into this fitting in the side of the back and is pushed into place with a 6mm hex. The air hoses with the white rings will attach together, as do the ones without rings. The two cleats on the lower part of the side piece must fit into the slots shown on the base. The upper side attachment point must fit around the stud and bushing as shown. Now add the leather covering. It zips into the place at the top and bottom, and you'll want to connect the black and gray electrical connection at the back. Add the power cord and remote to complete your assembly.